How to delete Facebook ID instantly. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into a specific account that you want to delete. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Head over to see more in Account Center. Inside Account Center, scroll down and move into Accounts. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Facebook account. From here, select Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Choose a specific reason why you want to delete instantly. Once you have selected any one of it, tap on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on Continue. Now enter the password of your Facebook account, and after that, your Facebook account will be deleted instantly, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.